Good morning and welcome to Bussleton, West Australia, which is an iconic West Australian holiday town and also a notable city of a population of almost 30,000. It's located on the southwest coastline of West Australia around the Geograph Bay area, approximately 220 kilometres south of Perth, or a leisurely 2 to 3 hour drive from Perth, depending on where you start from in the massive sprawling city of Perth. Today I'm just going to show you a bit of the highlights around the town itself. So I'll show you a bit around what the town centre looks like. I'll show you some of the beaches and of course probably Busselton's most iconic attraction, the Busselton Jetty, which is nearly it's about 1.7 kilometers long. It's a very long jetty. It's the longest wooden pier jetty in the Southern Hemisphere. So I'll show you some of the highlights of the walk out there as well. But yeah, for now, just sit back, relax, enjoy some of the highlights of an iconic West Australian tourism destination. Thanks very much for watching today's highlights video of our time in Busselton, West Australia, showing you a little bit around the town itself and of course the iconic Busselton Jetty. Really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, comment, leave your thoughts, any feedback, how I can improve videos, what sort of content you like to see going forwards. Really all appreciate that. Really helps motivate me to keep producing better content. Also obviously helps the algorithm, so more and more people get to see these videos, so it's a win-win all round. You get to be appraised all latest stuff as it comes to air, so that's really good. In the meantime, feel free to visit my website, aussiejetsetter.com.au, where you'll see the latest flight reviews, industry news, destination guides, frequent flyer hacks and more. It is a new year, so really pleased to say I've got 5 flights I'm taking later this month to Melbourne and also around North Queensland and elsewhere in Australia. So really stay tuned for those. There should be a nice flurry of weekly flight reports coming from late January through to February to kickstart our year. Some good destination content from those destinations as well. So yeah, feel free to also visit my socials, subscribe to them. I'll put the link in the description below. Much appreciated. But until next time, thanks very much for watching. Stay tuned and safe travels wherever that might take you.